going to show you how to use Flipgrid for the first time. So you open your window and you just type in flipgrid.com, hit enter, and it takes you to the site. And you are going to scroll down to where it says enter a flip code. It'll either be in the upper left-hand corner or it'll be down here in the middle. So you click to enter a flip code, and for the purpose of this video, we're going to enter a sample class that I created. We're going to enter the code Mahelco 5838. Your teacher is going to have a specific code for your class. So whatever code your teacher gives you, that's what you enter here, and you click the arrow. And you are going to log in with Google, and you will use your student email account. And here is my Flipgrid. And already there's 2 assignments there, but you just see one right now. You see practice, and it has the information, but if you look over here, you'll see that there's 2 topics. And the first one is say hello on Flipgrid. Welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus button below to open the Flipgrid camera. Then record a short video and say hello and share a fun fact about yourself or what you have been up to this week. You scroll down and there's that big green plus sign. Click on it. Your computer is going to ask for Flipgrid to have permission to use your microphone and your camera. Please click allow, otherwise you won't be able to record your videos. Once I click allow, there I am. Hello. Now right here in the upper right hand corner, it's showing me I have a total of 1 minute and 30 seconds to use for my video. That is at the time it's going to cut me off, so I can't go any longer than that. Okay. Now, if I forget what I need to do, I can click this button and it says show topic, and it reminds me what I need to do for this topic. Also here, if you want to add a note to your teacher, you can write a little note right here. Okay, and you can move that sticky note anywhere around your screen. Now down here you have several options. This is the record button to start and stop your video. And then you have some customizable options down here at the bottom. The first one is filter options. There are several different filter options for your video that you are welcome to use, except for my purposes, for my class, I do not want you to use Pixel because I need to see what you're doing with your instruments. So this one is a no thank you, but the rest you can do, okay? If I don't want to use any of those, I just click on Clear Filters. This allows me to add text to my video. I can get rid of my sticky note if I want, and I can move this around. There we go. I can add emoji stickers, and there's all kinds. All that I ask is whatever stickers you put on there do not block my ability to see you, especially when we start using instruments. I'm just going to put an orchestra one on there because I love orchestra. You can draw. Let's see if I can do this. There, I did it. You can make it a whiteboard, or you can add a photo sticker. Those are fun things you can do to customize your video, but I ask that we keep it limited. Don't make your video too crazy. The point is that I need to see you, okay? Right here, there are some other video options. Audio is on. And here is for uploading something, but we're not going to do that, so don't worry about it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click record. Hello everybody, this is Miss Mahelko. I hope everyone's doing well. I have been spending my days getting ready for doing this. It's been a busy few days this week, and I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Fun fact about me, I have a dog named Neville and 2 cats. One's Archer, the other one is Buttercup, and I'm a big Harry Potter fan. All right, I'm going to hit pause, and that ends my video, and I'm going to click this button right here that says next. Hello everybody, this is Miss Mahelko. I hope everyone's doing well. Hello everybody, all right, we click next again. And then it's going to say to take a selfie. And this is the thumbnail image for your video. You can do whatever you like here too, as long as it's school appropriate. Okay, you can add stickers, you can change the filter. So I'm going to get creative here real fast. Let's see. Ooh, festive. Where did my dragon go? Oh, there it is. So fun. There's my little dragon friend. There's my little selfie. Don't close the window while your video is preparing. If you want to add some information to it, I do need to say your full first and last name so I know who you are. If you want to give your video a title, you can do that there. Then you click Submit Video, and there it is, complete. Okay, now for this first assignment, the videos are not monitored, so that means that everyone can see each other's videos. I've turned comments off. But as more people submit videos, you'll be able to see everyone else's videos here. In assignments that we do, I will turn monitoring on, which means you won't be able to see other people's videos. So when you are submitting your own work of yourself playing, you will not be able to see other people's videos. They will be private just to me. If you have any questions or any issues that arise while you are trying to use Flipgrid, please feel free to email me or your teacher. And good luck, have fun. It's meant to be fun, and I'll see you guys soon.